got this one. This is called omizuya. Before visiting to temple, we need to purify the mouth and hand. So today we came to the Sensoji temple. Okay, then let's purify.
Let's prepare.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I have a dream. I want 1 million subscribers. Please.
Please.
So we found Melon Bread store. Okay. So today, as I said, today it's summertime and we're really hot.
Yes.
So we will try melon bread with ice cream. Let's go.
Yes.
So here, it is named Kagetsudo. Kagetsudo. Let's try. Like that. Okay, so I bought melon bread with ice.
Yes.
Okay, look at this. Ice cream.
Yes.
Yeah. So, okay. It is sometime to come Asakusa area. And my first time I went here with my ex-girlfriend. An ex-girlfriend introduced me this melon bread with ice cream. So, okay, I really like this, and also this melon bread has memory with my ex-girlfriend. Okay. Okay, let's see it. Itadakimasu. Hi. Very good. 美味しい。Ice cream is very sweet, very cold, and also this bread is very sweet, so a lot of sugars. Ah, 美味しい。
Did you remember your ex-girlfriend?
Yeah, I can cry now. So this is really good, and I really highly recommend this melon bread with ice. So if you come to Japan, and if you come to Japan mainly in Asakusa here, you should try this one. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye bye.